Hello and welcome to a brief introduction to some of the new features in Nodality 1.6. The first thing you'll notice is a UI refresh. The fonts have changed and some of the colours have changed too. Under the hood, a lot's been going on with bug fixes and optimisation. The application is now smoother and quicker to use. But there's some new features too. For instance, there are new move nodes. If I create an image loader, pull in an image, and then create another image filter, and now under transform we have move, create a relationship between the two, and then plug in a number, 0.25. If I plug that 0.25 into the X, it moves it to the right. If I make the 0.25 minus 0.25, it moves it to the left. We also have scale nodes. Again, image filter, under transform, scale, create a relationship between our moved image and the scale. Think of a number, let's say 2, and plug that number into the value of the scale. Now it zooms in, I can make the number 0.5 to zoom out. Now the scale works from the bottom left, so if I want to zoom in just on the dial, I'm probably best to maybe make this 0.5, plug that into the Y as well, and now we can move near enough down here. But if I want more control, I probably want to use something like an image, number dial. Let's create a number dial. Let's give that a range between 0.4 and 0.6. This chap can now be deleted, I'm no longer using him. I'll plug that 0.4 into both the X and Y transforms, and now, using my dial, I've got fine control over exactly where I'm zooming into. Another new feature in 1.6 is full screen mode. In the past, I've been able to move my detail panel to the left and right with a swipe. If I do a further swipe to the right, I go into full screen. Now the number dial has been replaced with a number slider, and I can change the position like so. If I have my detail panel on the left, I can do exactly the same. Further swipe moves it off the left, brings it back, and so on. So although not a great deal outwardly on 1.6, as I said, performance is increased, there are much less bugs, and we have the new scale and transform nodes. Thank you very much. Cheers.